storytelling.
My name is Aaron, and I would like to introduce to you Bernie. Bernie is a Vietnam War veteran and writer who is discussing his experience during and after the Vietnam War.
Would you like to share any of your poetry?
The one that I wanted to share, because it is relatively private, but when I wrote it, I just, fell apart. But it's about Ron. He tried to scream from a tortured face, but had no strength or air. He tried to scream, express his pain, but the words just weren't there. He sailed toward me an airborne arc, his legs and arms were trailing. He couldn't scream, the shock complete. He knew his life was failing. He sailed right by without a word. We were frozen in place. His back was glistening scarlet red, no clothing, not a trace. He struck the water, disappearing, shattering the spell. Welcome to the other world. Welcome, sir, to hell. When I finally wrote that poem, it took me about, 45 minutes to settle.
Mm-hmm.
And it still, triggers.
Would you say that your audience is people who haven't experienced war?
Mostly.
Mm-hmm. What do you wish to accomplish through that?
Greater understanding. I don't like being misunderstood.
Mm-hmm.
Eric Kandel is a Nobel laureate. He discovered the physical nature of memory.
Mm.
But he also wrote a book about reductionism in painting. And it's like, did these go together?
Mm-hmm.
But it did. And I love painting. I think if something can suddenly trigger an emotion of any sort, that's magic.
Yeah.
And paintings do that.